Hi guys, welcome back to my channels. Let me bring you to introduce the 25 natural wonders of the world. The natural wonders of the world is a contemporary list of 7 natural and man-made wonders compiled through a global poll conducted by the New Wonders Foundation. The list was announced in 2007 and includes the following natural wonders, one of which is Amazon rainforest in South America. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, spanning across several countries in the South America. It is home to an incredible diversity of plant and animal species, making it a vital ecosystem for the planet. 25. Angel Falls, also known as Salto Angel, is a magnificent natural wonder located in Venezuela. It is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfalls, plunging from a height of 979 meters or 3,212 feet, and with a total drop of 807 meters of 2,648 feet. The falls are named after Jamie Angel, an American aviator who was the first to fly over them in 1933. Visiting Angel Falls offers an opportunity to experience the raw power and natural splendor of one of the world's most extraordinary waterfalls, making it a bucket list destination for many travelers. 24. Giant Causeway. Giant Causeway is a remarkable natural wonder located in Count Antrim on the northeastern coast of Northern Ireland. It is renowned for its unique geological formations and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Giant Causeway attracts visitors from around the world who come to marvel at its unique beauty and geological significance. The site offers a range of walking trails and viewpoints, allowing visitors to explore and appreciate the breathtaking scenery. The Giant Causeway is not only a geological marvel but also a place of myth and legend, making it a captivating destination for nature lovers, geology enthusiasts, and those intrigued by folklore and history. #23. Nepali Coast. The Nepali Coast is a stunning and rugged coastline located on the northwest side of the island of Kauai in Hawaii, USA, known for its dramatic cliffs, lush valleys, pristine beaches, and crystal clear waters. It is widely regarded as one of the most beautiful coastlines in the world. Due to remote and accessible nature, the Nepali coast remains largely undeveloped and protected as parts of the Nepali Coast State Park. It is home to a diverse range of plants and animal species, including several endangered and endemic species found only in Hawaii. Regardless of how you choose to experience the Nepali coast, be prepared to be captivated by its natural beauty, majestic cliff, and untouched wilderness. It is a place of immense beauty and tranquility that truly showcases the remarkable landscapes of the Hawaiian Islands. 22. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak on Earth, located in the Himalayas on the border of Nepal and China. It stands at an elevation of 8,848.86 meters or 29,031.7 feet above sea level and is renowned as the ultimate challenge for mountaineers and adventurers around the world. Mount Everest remains a significant achievement and lifelong dream for many mountaineers, symbolizing the triumph for human determination, courage, and perseverance. 21. Pulpit Rock. Pulpit Rock is a popular natural landmark located in southwestern Norway near the city of Stavanger. It is a steep cliff that rises approximately 604 meters or 1,982 feet above the Lisfjord Fjord. Offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding Ifjords and rugged Norwegian landscape. Visiting Pulpit Rock offers an opportunity to witness the grandeur of Norwegian nature and enjoy unparalleled vistas. The combination of the challenging hike, the majestic cliff, and the breathtaking views make Pulpit Rock a must-see destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Wadi Rum. Wadi Rum, also known as the Valley of the Moon, is a desert valley located in southern Jordan. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist destination known for its stunning desert landscapes, dramatic sandstone cliff, and rich cultural heritage. Wadi Rum can do also camping. Spending a night in the desert is a memorable experience in the Wadi Rum. Bedouin-style desert camps offer visitors the chance to sleep in traditional Bedouin tents, enjoy traditional meals, and witness stunning sunsets and star-filled skies. Visiting Wadi Rum allows travelers to immerse themselves in the tranquility and beauty of the desert, experience Bedouin hospitality, and witness the remarkable geological formation that have made his area unique and enchanting destination. Number 19. Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal is an extraordinary natural wonder located in Siberia, Russia. It is the world's deepest and oldest freshwater lake, known for its pristine beauty, stunning clarity, and unique ecosystem. Lake Baikal has become a popular tourist destination, attracting nature enthusiasts, photographers, and adventure seekers. Visitors can partake in activities such as hiking, camping, kayaking, boat tours, and exploring the surroundings, mountains, and forests. Lake Baikal's breathtaking beauty, ecologically significance, and unique characteristics make it must-visit destination for those seeking natural wonders and a glimpse into pristine and ancient ecosystem. The Maldives. The Maldives is a tropical paradise located in the Indian Ocean, southwest of Sri Lanka. It is the archipelago comprising 26 coral atolls, which are made up for more than 1,000 individual islands. Known for its turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and abundant marine life, the Maldives is a popular destination for honeymooners, beaches lovers, and divers. Maldives is committed to preserving its natural environment and has implemented various conservation initiatives. These efforts include the establishment of protected marine areas, sustainable tourism practices, and projects to protected coral reefs and marine ecosystem. The Maldives offers a serene and idyllic escape with stunning natural beauty, luxurious resorts, and abundant marine life. It is a destination that captivates visitors with its turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and the opportunity to immerse themselves in tropical paradise. Number 17. Banff National Park. Banff National Park is a renowned national park located in the Canadian Rockies of Alberta, Canada. Established in 1885, it is Canada's oldest national park and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Banff National Park is known for its stunning mountain landscapes, crystal clear lakes, glacier, and diverse wildlife. The park also home to the charming town of Banff, which serves as the main gateway to the park. The town offers a range of accommodation, restaurants, shops, and cultural attractions, making it a vibrant hub for visitors to explore. Banff National Park offers a remarkable blend of natural wonders, outdoor adventures, and breathtaking landscapes. It provides a captivating experience for nature lovers, outdoor enthusiasts, and those seeking to immerse themselves in the beauty of the Canadian Rockies. Salar de Uyuni. Salar de Uyuni, also known as the Uyuni Salt Flats, is a remarkable natural wonder located in southwest Bolivia. It is the world's largest salt flat, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers or 4,000 square miles, at an elevation of around 3,656 meters or 11,995 feet above sea level. Salar de Uyuni has become a popular tourist destination, attracting photographers, nature enthusiasts, and adventure seekers from around the world. The vastness of the salt flats and the surreal landscape offer endless opportunities for creative photography, including optical illusions and perspective-based shots. Visiting Salar de Uyuni is a captivating experience that allows travelers to witness the mesmerizing beauty of the world's largest salt flat, its unique landscape, stunning reflections, and the sense of tranquility it offers make it a must-see destination to those seeking natural wonders and awe-inspiring landscape. Number 15. Yellowstone. Yellowstone National Park is a world-renowned national park located primarily in the U.S. state of Wyoming, but also extending into Montana and Idaho. Established in 1872, it was the first national park in the United States and is widely considered the first national park in the world. The Yellowstone caldera is an active supervolcano which has led to occasional discussions and speculation about its potential for a massive eruption. While as such, an event is extremely rare and currently not a significant concern, ongoing scientific monitoring helps understand the volcanic activity and geologic process within the park. Yellowstone National Park is a natural treasure showcasing the power and beauty of the geothermal features, diverse wildlife, stunning landscapes, and the importance of preserving our natural heritage. It continues to captivate visitors with its unique geology, abundant wildlife, and outdoor adventures opportunity. Iguazu Falls, also known as Iguazu Falls or Cataratas del Iguazu, is a breathtaking natural wonder located on the border between Argentina and Brazil. It is one of the world's most magnificent waterfall system and has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The falls hold cultural significance for the local indigenous Guarani people. The name Iguazu means big water. In the Guarani language, the falls have played a role in their myth, legends, and spiritual belief. Iguazu Falls is a natural wonder that captivates visitors with its sheer power, mesmerizing beauty, and vibrant ecosystem. Its combination of magnificent waterfalls, lush rainforest, and rich biodiversity make it an unforgettable destination for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Number 13. Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world, covering a vast expanse of North Africa. Sahara Desert attracts tourists and adventurers from around the world, who are captivated by its vastness and unique beauty. Popular activities include camel trekking, 4x4 desert safaris, sandboarding, stargazing, and experiencing the traditional nomadic way of life. Tourists often visit destinations like Morocco's Sahara Desert, where they can explore desert landscapes, spend nights in desert camps, and witness stunning sunrises and sunsets over the dunes. The Sahara Desert is a mesmerizing and challenging landscape that showcases the remarkable resilience of life in extreme conditions. Number 12. Galapagos Island is an archipelago located in the Pacific Ocean about 1,000 kilometers or 620 miles off the coast of Ecuador in South America. It is renowned for its unique biodiversity and played a significant role in Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. The Galapagos Island offer a unique opportunity to witness the incredible diversity of life on our planet and understand the ongoing process of evolution. With its pristine natural landscapes, iconic wildlife, and commitment to conservation, the Galapagos Islands continue to inspire and educate visitors from around the world. Number 11. Pamukkale, meaning Cotton Castle in Turkish, is a mesmerizing natural wonder located in southwestern Turkey. It is known for its spectacular terraces of white mineral-rich travertine pools and its historical significance. Pamukkale has been revered for its healing properties for centuries. The mineral-rich waters are believed to have therapeutic benefits for various ailments, and visitors often enjoy the relaxing and rejuvenating experience of bathing in the hot spring. The ancient city of Hieramopolis was also renowned for its healing centers and thermal baths in ancient times. Pamukkale offers a unique combination of natural beauty and historical heritage, making it a captivating destination for travelers. The dazzling white terraces, the ancient ruins of Hieramopolis, and therapeutic hot spring create truly remarkable experience for visitors, highlighting the fascinating wonders of natural and human history. Number 10. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park is a stunning national park located in Hunan Province, China. It is known for its unique pillar-like rock formations, lush forest, and breathtaking natural scenery. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park is a visually stunning destination where visitors can marvel at the otherworldly landscapes, hike through ancient forests, and appreciate the awe-inspiring rock formation. Its combination of natural beauty and cultural significance has made it a popular attraction, drawing tourists from all over the world experience its unique and breathtaking scenery. Number 9. The Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are captivating natural phenomenon that lights up the night skies in the polar region. The Northern Lights offer a breathtaking display of nature's beauty, captivating viewers with their luminous colors and ethereal movements. Whether seen in person or through photographs, the Northern Lights provide a glimpse into the awe-inspiring wonders of our planet's natural phenomena. Number 8. Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the world's most remarkable natural wonders, located off the northeastern coast of Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system on Earth, stretching over 2,300 kilometers or 1,430 miles along the Queensland coast. It covers an area approximately 344,400 square kilometers or 133,000 square miles. The reef, it is a home to a vast array of marine life, including over 1,500 species of fish, 600 species of corals, and numerous other plants and animals. Number 7. Antarctica is a unique and captivating continent located at the southernmost parts of the Earth. Antarctica is the southernmost continent surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It is located entirely within the Antarctic Circle, which is approximately 66.5 degrees south latitude. The continent is isolated and inaccessible for most of the year due to its extreme climates and remote location. Antarctica's pristine and untouched landscapes, extreme climates, and unique biodiversity make it a fascinating destination for scientific exploration and adventure. While tourism is limited and heavily regulated to minimize environmental impact, a small number of travelers visit Antarctica each year to experience its remote and breathtaking beauty. The continent's vast icebergs, towering glaciers, and diverse wildlife offer a truly extraordinary and humbling experience for those fortunate enough to visit. Number 6. Mount Bromo. Mount Bromo is an active volcano located in the East Java Indonesia. It is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the country, renowned for its stunning landscapes and unique geological features. Mount Bromo is situated in the Bromo-Tigre-Semeru National Park, which covers an area of about 800 square meters or 310 square miles. It is part of the larger Teenager Massifs, a volcanic complex that includes several other peaks. Visiting Mount Bromo provides a unique opportunity to witness the power and beauty of an active volcano surrounded by otherworldly landscape. The combination of the caldera and sea of sand, the stunning sunrise, and the volcanic activity of Mount Bromo itself creates an unforgettable experience for travelers. Number 5. Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls, also known as Mosi Oa Tonya, the smoke that thunders, is one of the most iconic natural wonders in Africa. Located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, Victoria Falls is considered the largest waterfall in the world based on its combined width and height. Victoria Falls offers a range of adrenaline-pumping activities for adventurous travelers. This includes bungee jumping from the Victoria Falls Bridge, whitewater rafting in the Zambezi River Rapids, helicopter or microlight flights over the falls for panoramic views, and Sunset River cruises. Victoria Falls is not only a spectacular natural wonder but also a hub of ecotourism, adventures, and cultural experiences. The sheer size, power, and beauty of the falls leave an indelible impression on visitors, making it one of the most captivating destinations in Africa. Number 4. The Grand Canyon is one of the most renowned natural wonders in the world, located in the southwestern United States. Carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, it is a vast and majestic canyon that stretches across Arizona. The Grand Canyons offers numerous hiking trails that cater to different skill levels, from leisurely walks along the rim of the challenging multi-day treks into the canyon. Popular trails include the Bright Angel Trail, South Kaibab Trail, and Rim to Rim Trail. Visitors can also engage in activities such as backpacking, camping, river rafting, and scenic dives along the rim. The Grand Canyon vastness, stunning vistas, and geological significance make it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, and those seeking to witness the grandeur of natural world. Its a breathtaking landscape and awe-inspiring views provide a profound sense of wonder and appreciation for the forces of nature. Number 3. Halong Bay is a mesmerizing natural wonder located in northeastern Vietnam. Known for its breathtaking beauty, Halong Bay is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is a popular tourist destination. Halong Bay's ethereal beauty, captivating scenery, and tranquil waters make it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and travelers seeking a serene and awe-inspiring experience. It remains testament to the power of nature's sculpting and continues to enchant visitors from around the world. Halong Bay is not only a picturesque landscape but also a rich ecosystem. It is home to a diverse array of plants and animal species, including mangroves, coral reefs, fish, birds, and mammals. The bay's marine and terrestrial environments support a unique and fragile ecosystem. It has been inhabited by local communities for centuries, and there are floating fishing villages where residents live on boats and rely on fishing as their main livelihood. The bay also holds legend and folklore that are intertwined with the local culture. Number 2. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, spanning across several countries in South America, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. It covers an area of approximately 5.5 million square kilometers or 2.1 million square miles, which is roughly equivalent of the size of the contiguous United States. The Amazon rainforest attracts numerous tourists and researchers who are fascinated by its incredible biodiversity and unique ecosystem. Ecotourism provides an opportunity for visitors to experience the rainforest's natural wonders while supporting local communities and promoting conservation efforts. Scientists conduct research to better understand the rainforest's complex ecology and discover new species and potential medicinal plants. Number 1. The Serengeti Migration, also known as the Great Migration, is one of the most remarkable wildlife spectacles on Earth. It takes place in the Serengeti ecosystem, which spans across Tanzania and Kenya in East Africa. The migration involves the movement of millions of wild beasts along with the zebras and other herbivores in search of fresh grazing and water. The Serengeti Migration is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of wildlife. It is a captivating display of natural cycle, survival instinct, and the interconnectedness of species. Experiencing the Serengeti Migration is one of the in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness the wonders of the animal kingdom in their natural habitat. If you like my video, don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button for the upcoming videos and update.